Hi guys, Farid here from Beep, and in this video I want to explain to you how you can use our Slack integration. The cool thing is that you can tag your teammates directly from Beep, and this message will be delivered to them in Slack even if they are not registered in Beep. How cool is that? Before we start, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me at farid@justbeepit.com. We usually reply within a few hours. So if I just do Alt+C and let's say I want to write a message here, please change this, for example. Now, in order to tag a teammate from Slack, all I need to do is add. But when you just do add, you get first of all your Beep teammate. In order to get Slack teammates, you need to do add, S, and plus. And now, you see here Slack team, and you can select anyone from your Slack team. For example, I will select Mark. As you can see now, Mark is tagged. So again, it's add, S, plus, and then you see your Slack team. This message will be delivered to Mark. Now, in addition to that, in your Slack settings in Beep, you can also adjust different settings, such as, for example, whether you want your messages to be saved to a separate Slack channel, and whether you want incoming beeps, so basically when someone beeps you, to be also delivered to you in your Slack channel. And for example, if I just tag Mark like this, a new conversation between you and Mark will be created, and Mark will receive this message in Slack. I will just click save, and that will be sent out to Mark in Slack. How easy is that? If you have any other suggestions or features that you would like to have in Slack, feel free to email us. Bye bye.